Introduction. Hello, and welcome back to Coding Eagle. I'm Swastik, and today, we're embarking on an epic journey into the intricate world of blockchain technology. Whether you're a blockchain enthusiast or someone who's just beginning to unravel its mysteries, this video is going to take you on a deep dive into the fundamentals, mechanics, real-world applications, challenges, and the limitless potential of blockchain. So, grab your metaphorical scuba gear, because we're diving deep into the blockchain ocean. Chapter 1: What is blockchain? Let's start at the very beginning. What exactly is blockchain? At its core, it's a decentralized, distributed ledger technology. Imagine it as a digital ledger consisting of a chain of blocks. Each block contains a set of transactions, and once a block is filled, it's cryptographically linked to the previous one, forming an unbreakable chain. This design ensures transparency, immutability, and security. Chapter 2: How does blockchain work? But how does this complex system actually work? Blockchain relies on a network of computers, often referred to as nodes, that collaborate to validate and record transactions. These transactions are grouped into blocks, and before a block can be added to the chain, it must undergo a consensus mechanism. The most well-known mechanisms are proof of work and proof of stake, but there are others too. Chapter 3: Key features of blockchain. Let's delve into some of the key features that make blockchain truly remarkable. We've already touched on decentralization, transparency, immutability, and security, but there's more. Blockchain also enables programmable smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. This feature opens up a world of possibilities for automation. Chapter 4: Real-world applications. Now, let's venture into the real world and explore where blockchain is making its mark. It's not just about cryptocurrencies anymore. Blockchain technology is revolutionizing finance, supply chains, healthcare, and more. In finance, for instance, it's making cross-border payments faster and cheaper. In supply chain, it's enhancing transparency and traceability. In healthcare, it's securing patient data. Chapter 5: Challenges and future potential. Of course, no technology is without its challenges. Blockchain faces issues like scalability, energy consumption, and regulatory concerns. We'll dissect these hurdles and discuss possible solutions. But despite these challenges, the future of blockchain is incredibly promising. We'll explore how it could transform voting systems, supply chains, and even art ownership. Chapter 6: Emerging trends. As we look to the horizon, let's discuss some emerging trends in the blockchain space. We're seeing the rise of decentralized finance, non-fungible tokens, and innovative consensus mechanisms like delegated proof of stake and proof of authority. These developments are shaping the landscape and have the potential to redefine entire industries. Chapter 7: The future of blockchain. Finally, let's gaze into the crystal ball and ponder the future of blockchain. Beyond the hype, what lies ahead? We'll delve into concepts like blockchain interoperability, quantum resistance, and the integration of blockchain with emerging technologies like artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things. Conclusion. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide to blockchain technology. I hope this video has equipped you with a thorough understanding of this transformative innovation and why it's causing such excitement in the tech world. If you found this video informative and engaging, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth tech explorations. Outro. If you have any burning questions or specific blockchain topics you'd like us to explore in future videos, please share them in the comments below. Remember, the blockchain journey is an ongoing adventure, and staying curious is the key to unlocking its full potential. Thanks for joining me on this blockchain odyssey, and until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of technology.